Howdy, Michael Fentner here. We're going to do another cooking video. I'm going to say welcome to Finding Your Roots. No, I'm not Henry Louis Gates. Today I'm going to make a simple dish called Roasted Carrots and Parsnips. Root vegetables come in all shapes and sizes. I know some people, they like their vegetables long. Other people, they go for the girth. Well, Mother Nature provides for both. So this is what we're working with today. You can make this in larger quantities, but since it's just going to be for me, I got a good sized carrot, got a parsnip, I've got some olive oil, I have ground salt and pepper. We're throwing a little bit of dillweed and a little sprinkle of accent, MSG. As they say, a little bit of accent really helps. I think that's what they say. That's what they used to say in the commercial anyhow. To save time, I'm going to rely on the magic of video trickery and special effects, and I'm going to get these carrots prepped. Now that I have my vegetables prepped, it's time to get them ready to throw in the oven. I'm going to take them and put them into this bowl and mix in the ingredients. First thing, I'm going to put these in a bowl and set this up to the side. I really like cooking with parsnips. I use them in soups a lot. They taste really good roasted. They've got a really nice sweet flavor to them. And you really can add flavor to your meal. So the first thing we'll do, I'm going to throw in a couple glugs of olive oil. Not really measuring. And we're going to stir it up. Got this spoon here that I actually took from my mother's house when she died. So I got like a little connection to my past here. Okay, then I'm going to put in a liberal amount of freshly ground pepper. All right, a little bit of salt. I'm going to put in a little bit of accent, MSG. My son Trevor has kind of turned me on to this. My mom used to cook with it. And I guess it kind of got a bad reputation for a while. I don't know why. But I really find that it really adds to the savoriness of food. So now I'm going to take some dillweed and sprinkle that on. I like to use that just with carrots sometimes too. I'll boil up some carrots, throw some butter in the pan, and throw some dillweed on too. So I'm getting these thoroughly mixed up. Now it's time to get them ready to bake. So I took this pan, I covered it with this metallic parchment paper. I'm not really sure what you call it. I just recently discovered this. It's a pretty handy thing for cooking, and that way you don't have to wash the pan afterwards. So just spread these out. And now we are ready for the oven. Earlier, I set the oven to 370 degrees, and I'm going to cook these probably for about 25 minutes or so. So here we go, and let's go put them in the oven. And now we wait. And there you have it. They are nice and chewy and tender. And they are going to be a really nice accompaniment to my dinner. I cooked up some salmon also, stuffed with spinach and feta cheese. So I got from the local market, aka Kroger. And I got me a nice winter root vegetable dinner. Here we go. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna dig into this. Got my favorite fork here. Does anybody else have a favorite fork? Let me give this a try. That's really good. That's really good. You won't be disappointed. Fuck. Oh, thanks for watching. Till next time.